There's something fun. I got free tickets for, yeah. It messes up. Mother. Welcome. We're here at the Hyatt Regency in Waikiki, right on the beach. Over here we have a spacious desk, and this is the king room oceanfront view. Plenty of space. All these drawers. A mini fridge that is not stocked so that you can put your water and your snacks in there. You get these water bottles, and they have filling stations all around the resort. This is your ice bucket. They have all these little interesting lamps. Plenty of space to put your stuff away. And all of their amenities come from their spa. And they smell fantastic. We have slippers, a hair dryer, plenty of towels. And in the bathroom we have a bidet. Standard tub over the shower. It's a little bit higher so you can soak in it after being in the sun all day. There is a zip line inside that you can pull out to hang your wet bathing suits on so that they drip into the tub but not all over the floor. You have a chair here, but this is why we get this room, for this beautiful view and a balcony that you can sit on. This is awesome to wake up to in the morning and look at this. Watch the sun come up. Beach chairs and towels on the 3rd floor at the pool that you can take right across the street to the beach. Nice big king bed, comfy. And charging ports on the nightstands right by the bed. So we're here with our family. We have the same room next door, but 2 double beds. This is, I don't know how many times, 5 times staying here, and we absolutely love this property. There's all kinds of things included in the resort fee, lei making, all different cultural classes that you can sign up for, yoga, and there's lots of stores and restaurants as well.